Hey guys, welcome back to Passive Income. My name's Shaw. Today we're going to sign up for an Amazon seller account. We're going to be opting in for FBA, which means Fulfilled by Amazon. So that basically means we're going to be offering prime deliveries to our customers, which helps us rank higher and get better sales. This is very exciting for me, and I hope for you as well. This is our first day of a new life, and we ain't about that old life no more, because we want to get paid, right? So let's go out there and get blessed. So just open your browser, type in Amazon. I'll be signing up on the Amazon UK because I partially live in the UK and partially in Germany, so I don't know how that's going to work out, but let's see. Just go on here to the sell button here, just tap on it. So when you get here, you're going to get to this page and it says increase your sales, start selling on Amazon today. Basically it explains to you from the first step until the last one what it does for you, what it means to sell on Amazon. So if you go down here, it means you can sell internationally. Oh yeah, by the way, we're going to be selling in the European marketplace. So that means we're not going to be selling only in the UK or Germany. We're going to be selling also in France, Italy, and Spain as well. So you're going down here, it basically says you ship your products to the warehouse, and from there it gets shipped straight to the customers. And all you have to do you can also track it and see how your sales are going, and you can also do some advertisement on Amazon for your products so it gets ranked higher. Yeah, so let's start selling. So just go ahead and sign in with your Amazon account if you already have one. If you want to start from scratch like I do, just create a new one and then sign in with it. Okay, so when you sign in, you're going to get to this page and it's asking you where your business is located. So select the country where you're going to be selling from, and then you can choose what type of business you have. So let's start here. Since I'm based in Germany, but I'll be also selling from the UK partially. At the moment, I'll be starting in Germany. So let's say we'll be in Germany, all right? Later on, we can change it to the UK, hopefully. All right, what type of business do you have? If you're privately owned business, you can go ahead, but no, we are just an individual. So we're going to be starting by ourselves, and go ahead and select that. Now it's asking you, okay, no, we are sure. Type in your full name as it appears on the passport or ID, your title, first name, middle name, and surnames. All right. Go ahead and fill that out. All right, so when you fill it out, just click agree and continue, and you get to this page. Let's see. All right, when you fill out your name and you click continue, you get to this page. So you gotta select your country of citizenship, country of birth, your identity document, residential address, and all that stuff. Alright, so when you fill it out, just go ahead and save it. You have to first verify your phone number, and then you can continue. Just click save and then go ahead. And we will get to the next page. This is our payment methods. Okay, so we gotta provide a credit card or debit card, whatever you have, a form of payment for the fees that we'll be paying. Okay, so all right, when you click on save, you're gonna get to this page where it says welcome to Amazon Seller Central. Sell up to 15,000 euros with your selling on Amazon payment account. So we basically have a 15,000 euro starting limit on our account, which is understandable. But this is the most exciting part here. This is where you choose a name for your store. So if you already have a name for your store, go ahead and type it in. If not, think about it, come back later, watch the video again. But for now, I have already chosen a name. It's called Quick Prime, and let's see, oh yeah, it's available. And when you type in your store name, click on start listing your products. So when the page is loading, you're gonna get to the final page. It says enable two-step verification. You must add two-step verification to protect the account before you can access it. Okay, so we're gonna enable two-step verification. Alright, so this is the last step. This is when you have already verified your Authenticator app as a backup method to sign in. So you get to this page, it's telling you basically how it's going to work when you sign into your account. Alright, so when you have verified your Authenticator app on your phone as a backup method to sign in to your account, you're going to get to this page where it's basically telling you what's happening every time you sign in. So you go down here and click on, you untick this box so you can use your phone, and got it, turn on two-step verification. This is where you click on there. So this is where you get to. This is our store. So we've made it. Yeah, this is our store. Yay! Wow, that's great. So you can see everything here, and we're gonna get to this in the next video, where we're gonna be starting to list our first product. But first we will have to find a product. So we will go shopping. Well, we're going to be shopping online. So we're going to be looking for a product to sell on Amazon. And then we're going to list it. But until then, you can look at this and get familiar with the interface here. And basically it tells you everything here. I have no idea. This is my first time doing it as well. Yeah, I think this is done for this first video. I hope you enjoyed this video. We have now successfully signed up our Amazon account. We have our own store on Amazon, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for the next videos, and so you will get a notification every time I upload a new video. So the next step will be finding a product, and we will be listing this product on Amazon very soon. So until then, please stay woke.